Hello folks. 58% people can solve this one, so this one should be reasonably easy. So hello, if this is your first time on this channel, I'm going to do a killer Sudoku. I explain why I do the things that I do, why I live the way that I live. No, I'm not going to start that nonsense today. No nonsense. And then, explain my thought processes. So, what do we do? Every puzzle, start the same. Try and find these single box cells, because they're free numbers. Then what we start looking for are cells where there's only one combination, such as, oh, here's one. Technically, there's two lots of 15. They both have two solutions, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So that means you can treat them like a quad. Another thing we look for are remainders. Everything has to add up to 45. So this is what's left over from the sum of the rest. Everything else, 45 minus everything else, I guess. That's 14 plus 30, so this is 1. Sorry, just having a conversation. So what's left? So this is 7. That's not going to be enough, is it? No. However, no 1 means that this is 2, 3, 4, and 5, because this acts like a quad as well. 2, 3, 4, 5, and there. That 1 means that this can only be 2 and 4. There's only 2 solutions to 6. 1 and 5, 2 and 4. That's got rid of one of them. What else? That is a remainder that we can get. We just have to do a bit of remainder hunting. So 7 plus 15 is 22. Plus another 12 is 34, which means that this is 11. That means this is 4. So this has got to be 1 and 3. So if this is 4, 8 and 9, might as well put that in there. If that's 8 and 9, this has to be 5 and 7. 8, this has to be 2 and 6. Because that's all that's left. Can't be 1 and 5. So 1 can't be 1 and 7. Can't be 3 and 5. So what does that make this? This is 1, 2. Oh, this is 4. If that's so, that sorts out the 7s over here. That means that's 1. That's 3. That's 7. That's 5. And also this 2 and 6 means that this has to be 7 and 8. No, caught the wrong one. Yeah, okay, awesome. So what does that make that in here? So if this is 7, right? So it can't be 1 and 6, can't be 2 and 5. This has to be 3 and 4. 3 and 4. This over here has to be 9. Because we've already got the 7 and the 8. So what's left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means this has to be 6. Because that was 11. 9. 6. So this is 6. This has to be 7 and 8. And based on what's in the rows, that's what's left. So then 1. It's 1 and 9, isn't it? Yeah. 1 and 9, meaning this is 2. How quickly things can change. Okay, so we can work out this remainder definitely. So 12, because that's what's left in here, plus 14, 26, 36, plus 18 means that this is 9. Excellent. So then, should be able to work this out. So, 9 plus 8 is 17. 17 plus 11 is 28. 28 plus 16 is 44. So this has to be 1. Okay. That means that this up here is a remainder as well, because this line is a remainder on this line. So 6 plus 15 is 21, plus 1 is 22. This is 20, because you've already got rid of the 1, which means this is 3. Okay, what else? Should be able to solve this as well. So 3 means this is 7. Can't be 3 and 4, can't be 1 and 6. This has to be 2 and 5. There is a 2 in this column. This has to be 6 and 8, and there is an 8 in this column. 2, 3, 4. This over here, this has to be 1 and 9. This can't be 2, can't be 3. That's technically the pair of 4. So this has to be 1 and 9, and there is a 9 in this column. So what's left over? 1, 2, 3. So 4 and 8. This has to be a 4 because there's an 8 in this square. So that's 7. Cool. Okay, alright then. So this has to be 1, 2, 3. So for 1 and 3, that's going to be 9, isn't it? So this is 9. This is 3. Okay, scanning says this is 3. So it can't go in here because it can't be 3 and 3 for 6. That would be 5. This is going to be 6 and 8. This will be 2 and 4. What about this? So this is 9 because you've got 9 remaining in this cell. Can't be 1 and 8. Can't be 2 and 7. Can't be 3 and 6. This is 4 and 5. Which means that this is 2, 4, 6 and 2 and 7 and 8. Which means that this, by scanning, has to be 8. 8 and 6 up here as well. We are motoring. So this can't be 5 and 9 because there's 5 in here and there's a 9 there. This has to be 6 and 8. There's a 6 in this column, so that's 6 and 8. Oh, damn it, I caught the wrong button again. Oh well, at least I can do them. I was so ill the other day, I couldn't even do a Sudoku. I know. So, this should be able to scan these. So this is 1. This has got to be 2, because it can't be 2 and 8, because there's already an 8. 3. So this is 3 and 7. This is a 9. Okay, bit of scanning. 9 can't go in here. Yeah, because otherwise that'd be 9, 1 and 0. Which it can't be. So that's 2 and 9. 5. 2. 4. 2. Here. It's 8. So it can't be 1 and 7 or 3 and 5. So this is 2 and 6. What's in the columns? That's 6. That's 2. Okay. Let's finish at the top. Let's be measured. Let's be controlled. Let's be lots of things. So if that's 8, this has got to be 10. It's got to be 1 and 9. Because 1 or 9 can't go in there. Which means that this is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 7. This is now 3, and this is now 4. Okay. Let's try and keep this going nice and smooth, nice and simple. This is a remainder. Can't be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is 8. So this is 3, 4, 3. So 3s. That has to be a 3, and we can get rid of all the 3s. What goes in here? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4. This has to be a 5. And this is a 1. Tidy up the puzzle. So what else we got left? 5, 6, and 7. That's all we've got left. 5 has to go here. There's a 6 in here, so this is 7. 7's over here. 6. Done. Nice. I'm going to break a habit and do a break a habit.